Is your Xbox app refusing to open or work on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through simple and effective steps to troubleshoot and fix the Xbox app so you can get back to gaming in no time.
First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate the Xbox app. Click on the three dots to open the Xbox app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If your Xbox app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Xbox app data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If the Xbox app is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. Press Reset again. If Xbox app is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. First, press Uninstall. The Xbox app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download the Xbox app again. Search for Xbox. Click on Xbox app. Press the Get button to start downloading the Xbox app. Wait for Xbox app to be downloaded and installed. Now your Xbox app should be installed. Now open your Xbox app. Now type in your Xbox app login info.
First, open the link that you will find in the description of this video. Click on Downloadable version. Click on Download the Gaming Services Repair Tool for PC. Wait for the repair to be downloaded. Right-click the tool and select Run Administrator. Select Yes. Now wait for the tool to repair your Xbox app. If the tool worked, then type Y and then press Enter.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.